So who invented ranch dressing? Did you know that ranch dressing is America's favorite dressing? It's everywhere and it's on everything. But did you know the history behind it? And do you know how to make the dressing without those little packets you have to buy at the market? Stick with me, I got you covered. Hey everyone, I'm Jill. Welcome to YesterKitchen. If you're having fun, please subscribe, like the videos, comment, and share with your friends. I'm so happy you're here. So who invented ranch dressing? Well, this is one of the very few bits of food history where we know the story is true. There's only one story, and this is it. So back in 1949, there was a man named Kenneth Henson. He later changed his name to Steve, and I don't know why. But at the time, Kenneth lived in Alaska. He was a contractor, and he made this dressing. Sounds familiar? If not, go back and watch my Thousand Island video. It has a cool story, cool history, just like this one. So Kenneth was making his dressing, and he would bring it in every day for his crew, and they loved it. So now we're going to cut to 1954, where he and his wife moved to Santa Barbara, California, and they bought a ranch. Now hang on. The name of the ranch was the Sweetwater Ranch, but they didn't dig on the name. So they renamed it Hidden Valley Ranch. And it was a ranch people came to visit. They had a dining room, and this was the house dressing, and people loved it. Loved it so much that they asked all the time to buy it. So eventually, Kenneth and his wife started putting it in little jars and selling it to the guests. Well, that kind of went out, and everybody wanted it. So Kenneth went back to the drawing board, and he created a spice mix to sell, so all the people had to do was add buttermilk and mayonnaise and make their own dressing. And it flew off the shelves. And they even started a mail order business, and they couldn't keep up. So finally they realized, we're making a lot more money on the dressing than we are on the ranch. So they sold the ranch in the early 70s. And then in 1973, the Clorox company came along and made Kenneth an offer he couldn't refuse. They bought the name and the product, and they sold it to him for $8 million. So someone doesn't have to work anymore. So the Clorox company kept going with Hidden Valley Ranch. They've developed a way to bottle it so it was shelf stable, and that's the ranch that you all know that's sitting in the markets. And they also reinvented the spice mix. So instead of having to go buy a thing of buttermilk, you can add regular milk and it would taste the same. But it's so easy to make, and it's so much better when it's fresh. I'm going to show you how to make it. So here is our happy little bowl. And to that happy little bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And then we're going to add 1/2 cup of buttermilk. This is the original recipe, so yeah, you got to get the buttermilk. But you can double it, triple it. It's so good. And now that, I'm just going to mix it a tiny bit. And actually, I'm going to switch over to a whisk because I really like the whisk better. It just helps incorporate better. You don't need a whisk. Spoon is fine. I like a whisk. So anyway, to that, we're going to start adding our spices. So we're going to start with 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder. The recipe calls for a pinch of thyme. If you're a pincher, maybe half of 1/8 teaspoon. But 1/8 teaspoon would be just fine. Maybe just a little less. And then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And last but not least, we have 1/2 teaspoon of parsley. That's it. We're done. Just want to mix it around. You do want to put it in the fridge and let it set up for about an hour. You know, getting those flavors going. We love getting our flavors going. Well, so does the dressing. But I'm not going to make you sit around for an hour. So I'm going to pretend it's been an hour. So here's our dressing. That's really it. So now we're going to come in with the salad. But here in America, we could come in with pizza or wings or just use the dry mixes on chicken breading. Or I know there's so many other. What do you love to use ranch on? That's what I want to know today. What is your favorite thing to put ranch on? I'm probably wings. That's me. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and have our little salad. Take a little scoop of the dressing, put it around. Look at that. That's it. Short history lesson, very short recipe. Go make some ranch now. Make salad for your dinner tonight for your family. Tell them how it came about. So again, if you're having fun, please subscribe, like the videos, tell me what you like to use ranch on, and share with your friends. Have a great one, and as always, history has never tasted so good.